Hey, hello boys and girls. So this is Mohit Agarwal here, and this video I am making for my lovely CMA students. Each and every student of CMA, whether foundation, inter final, should watch this video till very last, because huge announcements, huge clarification, important clarifications are there for you guys. And I have divided this video into chapters. So on any particular question, if you want to watch the video, you can just scroll the chapters and watch it. Okay. However, I am going to keep the video short, within 5 minutes, and whatever announcement I am making, whatever clarification I am making, it is just because of the confirmation given by our honorable Central Council members, including Pappan Bhai sir. Yes. So boys and girls, the first question that I inquired of was, watch the video till very last. First of all, let me tell you, watch the video till very last. And this is a one-stop channel for all the CMA students. If you have not subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe this channel, and please share this channel, because you know sharing is caring. Law of attraction will work, and obviously my blessings are always there with you. But please do selflessly sharing of the channel with other friends and other students in WhatsApp group, Telegram group, and ask them to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay. So boys and girls, let me tell you, the first question that I asked and inquired of him was that the CMA exams are going to be online for pandemic or all time. The answer is all time. CMA exams are going to be online forever now. The second important question, I am making the questions I made the questions rather as per the students' request, and now I am making the sequence of the question in the importance of the questions. Okay. Actually, every question is important, but still, the another burning question that all the students wanted to know, that sir, how to write the formula, symbols, etc. So I had placed this question also, that sir, in the online pattern, CMA exams are going to be held online forever now, and sir, how do a student write the formula and all? Okay. So in case of complex formula, you can skip the writing of the formula. Obviously, you will be given the rough sheet, there you can write and just calculate the answer. Okay, just calculate the answer and you can write it. No marks will be deducted. This is for sure. So don't worry about the writing of the symbols which do not exist in the computer or the laptop, or you are finding it difficult. You can skip that part and write the answer. Right, boys and girls? So don't fall in the trap of rumors. Stay connected with this channel. The third question that I also asked was that, sir, if October exams are being held so late, what about the December exam? Students must be given 2.5 months to prepare. For that, he assured that yes, sufficient time will be available. Don't worry about that. Fourth question was that, is there any chance of merging October and December 21 exam? He told that, and as of now, there is no chance of merging, but you should study. And as of now, there is no chance of any merger, etc. And new syllabus introduction will be taking place in 23, not in 22, but in 23. Okay. Predicted date as of now is 2023, not earlier than that. So whatever you're studying is going to be valid. So please study properly. And another question that I asked was, sir, can it be done that typing of questions can be reduced to that? The answer was that yes, typing of questions in the final model paper, you will be finding the final replica of the exam paper. The practice paper that was uploaded is not the final replica, and the model paper will be there very soon, released very soon, which will be the replica of the exam paper. Okay. And how many times will the CMA exams will be held in a year? To that, the answer was, as of now it is half yearly, but very soon institute may decide to move to the quarterly examination. Okay. Whether exams will be center based, apart from center based, will it be home based? Maybe if containment zone increases and if the third wave comes, then yes, home based option may be considered. And yes, December 21 exams will be held on the regular date. Okay. December 21 may not be postponed, it will be held on the regular date. So please keep on studying, boys and girls, please keep on studying. And apart from that, typing portion I have already talked about. Yes, it will be reduced. Institute is considering about it. Center change option will be available. The answer to this was definitely center change option will be available. Okay, definitely. And computer training, yes, you should do it, but it is exempted, but you should do it. Okay, institute is not going to prohibit you from writing the exam, but you should do it. So all these questions were answered with great details. Some tough questions were also asked, but smilingly he answered all the questions with absolute clarity. Okay, so That's it. This is from my side, and yes, keep subscribe to this channel, because all the authenticated news you are going to get over here. And apart from all the news, we have already solved all the mock test paper, whether it be intermediate level and the final level. Sir, we are not finding it on your channel. We have uploaded it on our new channel, MEPL classes. Do subscribe MEPL classes channel also. In fact, this video I am going to upload on both the channels, so that you make sure that these two channels are subscribed and bell icon is hit, because you know what, even if you miss out on any of the channel, then it's your loss. You're going to lose, because intermediate we were the first institute, final we were the first institute to upload all the MTPs by typing and solving it for you guys. It requires great commitment every time, every single time. We are there with you till the last breath of ours, and we'll make sure that you pass the exam. Don't worry about it. Thank you, lots of love, take care, bye bye. Like the video and share it.